In this video, we will be comparing two popular portable washing machines, the Fadsk portable washing machine and the Grinchat portable washing machine. Both are designed for convenience and efficiency, making them ideal for small spaces like apartments, dorms, and RVs. We'll explore their features, pricing, and user feedback to help you decide which one is the best fit for your laundry needs. The Fadsk portable washing machine is priced at $69, making it a budget-friendly choice for those looking for a portable laundry solution. In contrast, the Grinchat model is priced at $99, which may be a consideration for shoppers on a budget. While both machines offer similar features, the price difference could influence your decision based on your financial priorities. One of the key differences between these two models is the inclusion of a spin-dry basket in the Fadsk portable washing machines. This feature allows users to effectively remove excess water from their laundry, enhancing the drying process. On the other hand, the Grinchat model does not come with a spin-dry basket, which means users will need to manually remove water after washing, potentially making it less convenient for some. When it comes to user interface, the Fadsk portable washing machine features traditional button controls, which some users might find straightforward and easy to use. In contrast, the Grinchat model offers a modern touch control interface, which could appeal to those looking for a more contemporary feel. Both control types have their advantages, and the choice may come down to personal preference. In conclusion, both the Fadsk niche and Grinchat portable washing machines have their unique strengths and weaknesses. The Fadsk niche offers affordability and a spin-dry basket, while the Grinchat provides a modern touch interface at a higher price point. Consider your laundry needs and budget when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.